Hello, my wonderful students. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to see class 5 max, chapter number 3, angles and turns. So, chapter 1, we the travelers and fraction is already completed. Students, if you want to get the worksheet for this practice, I have given the details in the description. You can click and join the WhatsApp link, and monthly 5.99 you need to pay as a tuition fee, so that I will be sending worksheets. You will have a revision test every week. Grammar worksheet will be shared. Okay. So let's go into this chapter. Not only this, exam question papers, sample question papers, revision test, everything will be done for the 5.99 subscription. Alright, next. Draw the angle for given measures, and these pages are already covered in part 1 and 2 video. If you missed to watch, you can watch those and then come for part 3. Alright, draw angle for the given measure of a turn using the given lines. So here we have already given, so a half turn. I'll show one example, students. For example, if I'm going to draw a circle here, okay. So I have a point here. So if I'm going for a half turn of this, I'll be ending up here. Okay, I'm taking another half. Again, I'll be ending here. This makes a straight line. So you can draw a straight line. Use your scale to do it, students. So this is a straight angle. And next is 1/4 turn. So if we do 1/4, where we will be ending up, we'll be ending up here. Let me do in a different color. So we'll be ending up here. So this makes a right angle. So we can draw a right angle. So this one. So this is a straight angle. This is a right angle. Again we have a line here. So half turn. Sorry, quarter turn. It's a right angle. Next is 1/12 turn. 1/12 turn is an acute angle. So it will be like this. 1/12 turn. It is an acute angle. In case they are giving angle like 8/12, then it will end up like here somewhere. Here somewhere. So that becomes an obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 degree. Okay, here. So we have to draw an acute angle. Let me draw an angle like this. Okay, acute angle. Again 1/8 turn is less than 90 degree. It is an acute angle as well. Let me draw an angle like this here. This is an acute angle. Okay. Next. Next we have draw the angles formed by the following turn in your notebook. So we have half turn, 1/4 turn, 2/4 turns, 1/6 turn, 4/6 turns, 3/12 turns, and half plus 1/4 turns. So these are like very simple, students. I'm going to make each one for you. 1 minute. Okay, students, this question. So, draw an angle formed by the following turns in your notebook. So, I have taken everything in a separate thing, so easily you can able to understand. So, first we have like half turn. So, this one is the half turn. So, the answer for this question, it's like a straight line. Okay, next is 1/4. So this one is 1/4, 1/4 turn, get a right angle. Okay, next is 2/4. So 2/4, here you will get 2/4. 2/4 is equal to 1/2. Again 2/4 is also a straight line. Okay, this is very easy, students. Don't get confused. So we have 1/6. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1/6, this one. So this one is an acute angle, less than 90 degree. Next we have 4 by 6. So 4 by 6 is also, 1 minute, 2 by 3. So where we have 2 by 3 here. So this is 1 by 3. This is 2 by 3. So we have an angle. This angle, 1 minute students. So it is greater than half angle. Okay. Next we have 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, where we can do? We will do here. So 1 by 2 is also known as 2 by 4. So let me erase this one. Okay. So 1 by 2 is an half one. Again you have 1 by 4, that is this portion. So it is greater than an half. So the angle which you get, it is greater than a half. Okay. So we have the next question, but this one I am going to give you as a homework. EC1, 1 by 8 plus 1 by 6. So it is a different denominator. So you have to get a number which is divisible by both 8 and 6. 8 and divisible number is 48. So 48 is divisible by both 8 and 6. So you have to do this homework and show me in the paper, or you can send me through WhatsApp also. Okay, next we will go. Guess the measure of turns the minute hand clocks makes each of the following cases. The initial position of the minute has given. Draw the final position of the minute hand clock face. Discuss the reasoning in the class. Interesting one. Okay, I'm sorry students. So let's repeat. Guess the measure of turns the minute hand of clock makes in each of the following cases. The initial portion of the minute hand is given, so it is already given. Draw the final position of the minute hand clock face. Discuss in your reasoning in class. Okay, so this is the clock, so we will write the general rule. So we have 60 minutes. So 1 hour, which is equal to 60 minutes. And how many parts we have here? We can draw like from 12 to 3. So we have 1 by 4. And 12 to 6 is half. And 6 to 9 will be 3 by 4. And this will be 4 by 4. Okay, I'm telling in fraction. So we'll see the first question. When the minute hand moves by 15 minutes, it has made dash turn of a circle. So I'm going to do this little thinner. Okay, so here it is already here in 3, which is like 15 minutes. So each time it is going like here 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I'm sorry, 25 minutes and 30 minutes. So 15 minutes is getting over here. So this one. So when the minute has moved by 15 minutes, it has made dash turn of the circle, 1/4 turn of the circle. 1 by 4. Okay, right angle it is making. In case if they are asking what angle it is making, you can write right angle. Okay, next question. When a minute has moved 30 minutes, it has made dash of the circle. So 30 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it is going like this. So this is a what turn? Half turn. And it is also straight angle. Okay. So next we have, when a minute has moved by 45 minutes, it has made dash turn. So this one is like 1 by 4th turn, which is 15 minutes. So again it is going to come here, which is 2 by 4th turn, and again it's going to come here for 45 minutes. This is 3 by 4th turn. Okay, greater than a half. Next. When a minute has turned 1 by 12 of a full turn. So full turn is 60 minutes and it is turned by 1 by 12. It has moved dash minutes. So 12, 5s are 60. So 5 minutes. Okay. Next, when a minute has turned a full circle, it has moved dash minutes. So full circle, we already know the answer. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. And this is 60 minutes. 60 minutes, or you can write 1 hour. Okay, 60 minutes, or you can write 1 hour. Alright, so these are like important question for your exam students. So next we will have okay. When a minute has turned 1 by 6 of full turn, it has moved dash minutes. So we already know we have 60 minutes in an hour, and it is turned by 1 by 6. So 6 tenths are 60. So 10 minutes here. Okay. So next, when a minute has 4 by 12 of a full turn. So 60, 4 by 12 of a full turn. You get 5, 5 fours are 20. So 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 minutes. Alright. Okay, next. Which direction? In which direction do hands of clock move? So hands of clock move, it moves in a clockwise direction. So this is a clockwise movement. Okay, anti-clockwise movement is the reverse movement. It will be like this movement, this one. So this is anti-clock movement and clock movement is this. This is clock movement. Okay. So this is clock and this is anti-clock. The direction which the hand clock moved is called as clockwise movement. The opposite movement is called anti-clockwise movement. The creatures below have made a quarter turn. Tick the direction in which they moved it. Okay. So here we have a insect, and the next move of the insect is this. So this is a clockwise direction, and we have a snail here. So the snail should come this side. Yes, it is coming. So this is a clockwise. And we have a bee. The bee should go this wise. But what is happening? See this picture. It is ulta. So it is anti-clockwise. And the ant, it should come here. But it is like reversed. So it is anti-clockwise. Okay. Next. Observe the direction of movement while opening the tap, unscrewing a lid, or loosening a nut. Do they move in a clockwise or anti-clockwise? For example, you have a tap, water tap. How do you open it? You will be opening in this way, and when you are closing it, what you will do? You will do in anti-clockwise. Opening you will do in a clockwise, and closing a tap, that you will do an anti-clockwise. Likewise, screwing, if you want to screw it, that will goes in clockwise, and you have to unscrew, you have to reverse it, that is an anti-clock movement. Okay. Next, starting direction in the given table. So we have direction here, east facing, west, north and south. Direction north, two right angles clockwise. Okay, wait a minute, student. I will draw a direction here, maybe in a different color, student. So it will be easy for you. So I'm going to draw here. Okay, and we will name it over. So this is north, I'm going to mark N, east is E, south is S, and west is W. Okay, so first is north. So we are in north. Where is north here? Two right angle clockwise. So two right angles, the first right angle. So we have taken here. Second right angle clockwise. So where we are ending up? We are ending up in south. Okay, next we have two right angles anti-clockwise from south. So here we have to do anti-clockwise, that is like reverse. So where we are going to end up, I'm going to change the color. From south, again first right angle, second right angle, where we are ending up? We are ending up in north. Okay, next from east, let me change the color to green. Okay, we are in east now. From east, four right angles anti-clockwise. Okay, so this is the first right angle, and we have the second right angle and third right angle, and this is the fourth right angle. So where we are ending up in anti-clockwise? Again in east. Okay, next from west, four right angle clockwise. So from west, four right angles clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clockwise again, where we are ending up? We are ending up in west again. Next, from north, where is north? We have north here. 5 right angles clockwise. So 5 right angles. So change it to, I don't know what color, maybe purple. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, we are coming to east. Okay, one I'm going to give you as a homework. Is it visible? So this one I will give you as a homework. Do it and send me in WhatsApp. So next we have from south. Where is south? South is here. 3 right angle clockwise. So 3 right angles clockwise. 1, 2, 3. We are ending up in east. Half right angle in clockwise. So half right angle in clockwise. So half right angle in clockwise. So we are ending half. 1 minute, students. I'll draw it again, students. This is little messy. We will do one new line in red color. Okay, so let me mark. Okay, so first is from south, three right angles clockwise. So first right angle, second right angle, third right angle clockwise. Okay, so next half right angle clockwise. So half right angle clockwise. So this is the full right angle. So half you will be ending up here in the center. So this is the halfway. Again half. Okay, one more half right angle. So that makes a full angle. So we are ending up with south. Next, you have to this do as homework. So next one, Padma is facing a toy shop. What place she will face if she see a half turn clockwise? So here she is seeing a toy shop, this one. And if she takes half turn clockwise. So from here, if she takes half turn in a clockwise, so she can able to see the ice cream shop. Okay, and if she's taking, for example, quarter turn, she can able to see the person who's sitting in the chair, which is like in a parking place. Okay, so what are the ways she can turn to face the same place? For example, if she want to face the toy dukan again, what she has to do? She has to do a full turn, full clockwise turn. Then she can able to see the toy shop again. So after she can able to see the ice cream shop. All right. Okay, now we have completed this lesson, students. If you want worksheet for practice, kindly join this channel and send me a message over. Okay, take care and be safe. I'm going to give you a small smiley today, a little one. Okay, with a purple eyes. All right, take care and be safe. Bye bye. Okay, students. Bye bye. Take care and be safe. Okay.